This episode is sponsored by Squarespace. Earlier this year, I decided to build a camper on a 1998 Honda Acty. This truck is imported from Japan, it has about 40 horsepower, and most people say I couldn't do it. But I did. I built myself a somewhat lightweight camper and put it on the back of this little blue truck. I like to share it, so my friends over at Gears and Gasoline invited me out to a car meet, so I decided to join them so I could show everybody just how cool it was in person. And well, this is how it went. This is Bluey. She's going to a car show, so we got to get her ready. She is dirty. She's got bird poop on her. The interior has never been detailed. It's pretty dirty in there. Sadly, I got a cracked windshield that keeps getting bigger here. Look at the front of this thing. It's so grody. Look at that. Ugh. Ready for your makeover? Ding, ding, ding. Whoa! What? This is sick! Yeah. What the heck is this thing?
It's a sand frame.
What the heck?
Has less power than sand frame. Street legal, baby.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
This thing's street legal?
Yeah, street legal.
Look at this thing! Are you serious? How is this street legal? Oh my, yo, what's up, dude? This is sick. Dude, I can't believe my eyeballs. That is so cool. I need this for the property. This thing is just too cool. I've never seen anything like it.
Do you want to start it?
Do I want to start it?
Yeah, you can hop in and start it if you want.
How do I get in? Just like this?
Hold on. Will that be in your way?
Yeah, just pull that out.
It's stiff,
Oh!
Obviously he won't need
Does it have a clutch? No.
No, you still have to shift it when you do drive it. And then turn the fan on. I always like having a trans fan on just because.
Is that the brake?
Yeah.
Let it
The
rip?
power, is it 180?
Yeah, it just lit up, but then it
No, it does that.
Oh, it's got a power cutoff?
Yeah, kill switch. Alright, now turn the key. Wait for it to prime for a little bit. Now fire it up. That gas pedal is good too.
Really?
Like, but when I barely press it, that's even. It was like,
Dude, what? This is so sick. It's got a like...
tab, GPS. What, kill switch 180?
Oh my goodness.
Leave that.
It's got the race wheel on it.
Yeah, you did.
Brings me back to when I got in Kyle's cars. Dude, that is sick.
so bad.
Yeah, I'll do a straight up trade with you.
With my car? Or?
No, if you owned that monster truck in there, this won't take long, will it? It's just nothing needs to be done inside here. Go for a sleepover. You might not fit though. You're taller than me. You'd have to go diagonally. You gotta get in there. That's a good mattress too. Right?
Yeah.
Isn't that sick?
Put a sun thing on here.
And it's got like LED
See
light.
what about now.
It's got LED light strips up in here. And all the windows open.
That's
I mean, it's not going to protect you from bugs, but talk to the designer about that one. Big, huge crack. You can see it from the inside. They're starting to, like, you know, wreck them. It's like, those are 12-inch rims, I think. Yeah. Get it. Look at that gutter system. So good. Torchy's Taco? Yeah, baby. She ready to go. Phew. What do you think? It's pretty sick, isn't it? Oh, I love it. It needs a little spice. Somewhere in there. Now we're talking. I love me a coffee.
Are you recording?
Yeah, getting some shots. We made it. She made it. Yeah, baby. Everything okay in there? Well, that's not bad. Let's get it. Oh, yeah.
Sorry, there's a little bit of ethanol in there.
What's that? What was that? Oh, you're Gucci, baby. Yeah, for real, dude. Oh, we set up, baby. Got the merch. What can I do for you, buddy?
Can I get a post 930?
I wasn't ready for this. We got lineup out the wazoo. Look at everyone. Everyone wants a taste of the merch, baby.
Yes. Yeah, we were supposed to work those are the ones that look nice. Nice to meet you. Yeah!
Top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to son these boys, can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover actors. I don't fall for it, I'm privy to all your tactics. Yeah, so try again, this time take a vitamin. Yeah, invite them in, welcome to the Lion's Den. And I'm Mufasa, big boss in charge of coming in like a bull. You see me raising the stock up, yeah. So baby, you gonna need some patience. I already won, now I'm just making a statement, Damn, baby, why your mans keep hating? You
we have bikes.
Oh, yeah, yeah. You gotta buy this thing.
Yeah, exactly.
You like that? Yeah. Oh wait, this is a video. This is a video. What do you want?
Your name's good.
Yeah, my name?
How are you? Dude, you've been here all day. Hey, how was you guys here before us? 7 days.
Oh, he has a signature. Look at
Look
that.
at that, buddy.
Wow.
The doctor is in, baby.
Thank you.
I was like, I'm like, bad. Okay. I gotta fix it up. Any such cases. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Thank you very much.
Dude, you kidding me? Thank you guys. Yeah. You're on my channel now, baby. All right. Just right here?
Yeah.
Is that good?
That works.
I'll go a little slower.
Let's go. That's perfect. Thanks, man.
Thank you, dude.
I appreciate
You
it.
make me feel special. Oh, buddy, that was perfect. Well, we back, baby. That was a lot of fun. Little Bluey got a lot of love. A lot of love. If you guys want to come check it out, follow Gears and Gasoline. They're doing another car meet, and I'm gonna go to the next two. I think there's one in Northern Virginia, another one in Lynchburg, Virginia. So if you want to come meet your boy driving this bad boy, selling some merch, come on out. Also, let me know if you like this little behind the scenes midweek episode of what Graham gets up to. And always be ready on Fridays or Saturdays. I release cabin content on Fridays or Saturdays, depending on if I finish it fast enough and how I'm feeling, you know. Fridays have been kind of fun, you know, a little Friday entertainment. Anyhow, your boy's tired. Much love. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed what you watched. Subscribe, like, share, do the dang thing. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace. When it comes to websites, I love using Squarespace to build my website. It's easy to customize, update, and packed with features to help grow your business. With Squarespace, you can showcase your services, schedule appointments, and even get paid all in one place. Their Blueprint AI website builder helps you create a fully custom site in just a few steps, tailored to your industry and goals. Need to reach your audience? Squarespace email campaigns make it simple to automate emails, nurture leads, and drive bookings with beautifully designed templates. If you're ready to build your online presence, head to squarespace.com to get a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/woodnessgoodness to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thanks Squarespace for sponsoring this video, and we'll see you on the next one.